16 exciting jobs which require science qualifications. There are many exciting jobs which require science qualifications. Some are even in such hot demand that they are projected to grow significantly in the next few years. They have good starting salaries as well. Here are some of the top choices. 1. Doctor. The world needs doctors. And as many populations around the world are living longer than ever before, the demand for healthcare will increase exponentially. 2. Veterinarian. Animal care is required 24/7/365 in a range of locations, from small office-based practices to farms, zoos, animal shelters, and more. 3. Oceanography and marine biology. Some of those interested in living creatures might devote themselves to the ones that live in the ocean. Oceanographers study the sea, and marine biologists study the underwater inhabitants of our vast seas. 4. Environmental science. This is a rapidly growing field as more and more people become concerned about climate change, waste and toxic waste, loss or change of habitats, and more. 5. Medical researcher. Not everyone with a medical degree becomes a doctor. Some devote themselves to research, such as lab work, clinical trials and data collection. 6. Health, medical and scientific writer. High-quality writing is always in demand thanks to the Internet. Amongst the highest-paid writers are those who can write well about health, medicine and science for a variety of audiences, from ordinary people to medical professionals who need to take continuing medical education CME classes regularly in order to maintain their qualifications. 7. Biochemist. Biochemists study the impact of chemistry on living beings. 8. Biophysicist. Biophysicists study the impact of physics on living beings. 9. Physicists are in high demand because there is always such a shortage. The same is true of high school physics teachers, so both careers can be highly profitable. Atmospheric scientists and meteorologists. These scientists study the Earth's atmosphere and environments. With the increase in megastorms like Hurricanes Katrina, Sandy and Maria, this is a high-demand job that is well paid. Astronomer. If you're fascinated by the night sky, a career as an astronomer could be the perfect choice for a prosperous career. Agriculture and food scientist. This career involves trying to improve agricultural efficiency and safety. These scientists also help trace outbreaks of foodborne illnesses like E. coli and Listeria. Archaeologist and paleontologist. This career is a great combination of science and history while working on digs and determining the nature and age of the finds being unearthed. There is also underwater archaeology for skilled scientists who can work in those conditions. Botanist and forest. These careers focus around plants and trees. In forestry, husbandry of resources such as pruning, chopping down and planting are all involved. Forensic scientist and crime scene investigator. If you love crime dramas on TV, you've seen depictions of forensic scientists in action trying to provide concrete evidence to establish what happened in the course of a crime. With court convictions relying more heavily than ever on accurate forensic data, this is a growing field worth considering. Pathologists. Some pathologists do postmortems to determine cause of death. This is often part of a forensic investigation whenever a mysterious death takes place. But pathologists can also help the living, determining whether or not cancer is present in a cell sample, or what might be causing your stomach ache by examining a stool sample. There are so many exciting jobs that require science qualifications. So do all you can to encourage your kids to take an interest in science.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's a